In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make Guitar Afrobeat instrumental in FL Studio. The first thing you need to do when you get into your software is to set your tempo to 100. Afrobeat tempo usually ranges from 100, 110, at least 120. So in this particular project, we're going to be using tempo of 110. So I just set my tempo here to 110. Then the next thing we're going to do is to create a melody. Then I just added my plugin, my stock plugin from FL Studio. Just go there, add. Then I will go to library and I will go to guitar to add my guitar instrument. So I'm going to be adding electric clean guitar here. And I'm going to go to piano roll. I'm going to go to piano roll. And I will be choosing any random key. So I will be choosing this key right here. So I'll be duplicating this. I'll click Ctrl B to duplicate. Then put on my metronome. I'll be splitting it, copy. So I'm just going to highlight and I will stretch it out a little so that it can blend. So guys, we just got our melody, and I'm going to add a chord background. I will just go to the same key. So we'll come here, we're using this ghost note here, we'll just add. Then we're going to go to the lower octave. I'm going to come here. So I'm going to be changing this instrument to, let's say, a piano. I'm going to use electric piano here. No. I'm going to be using a piano. Okay, let me use an organ. going to try out other instruments. So for the sake of this tutorial, let's just leave this one. Then I'm going to add my drum section. Now we've gotten our melody, and also we've gotten our chord. So I'm going to add a snare. I'm going to be So guys, we just got our melody, chord, and we just played our snare and kick. So I'm going to add a hi-hat to this. I'm going to delete this. So this is my hi-hat. I'm just going to click, and I will come here and I'll right click. I'll say detect. I'll click detect tempo. So I'll go to within the tempo range. We have 100 here. Our tempo range is between 75 to 150. So it will automatically choose the tempo for this project. Let's go. So we're going to choose another instrument. So I'm going to be using this one too. I'm going to choose let's say a guitar. Let me use another guitar instrument. Go to piano roll. So I'm going to duplicate. This. So I'm going to flip this particular instrument to the next octave. So guys, we just made a beat. Then the next I'm going to do is to bring in basically our bass line. Then I'm going to show you so I'm going to also use this particular plugin. I'm going to duplicate, clone, then I will locate a bass line. So we usually have bass line off. So what I'm just going to play a random bass. I'll go below the octave. to take it to the higher octave to guess the key, right? So I'm going to bring it down the lower octave. So I'm going to preview them each one. So to add to this key, I'm just going to drop one octave here, drop one octave here, or I'll just take the center one. So by spacing it to help to give us, to expand the frequency for us. Just going to add the bass line. So guys, if you are the one at your leisure, if you are doing this kind of projects, I'll just take time to select some other good instruments. But basically, I'm just using this stock plugin to show you how you can actually make a successful beat in FL Studio. So we can also try out other instruments. I just want to try out this particular guitar. Let's see how it works. Wow, this sounds great. So this is very simple project, and we're just going to copy, and I will go to my piano roll. I'll go to my next section like this, and I will paste. Then I will just come to the bar here, and I will click split to link. So I'll come, I'll paste. You touch and paste, you touch and paste. So you highlight everything, then you click Ctrl B to duplicate into time. So I'm going to just show you how to, here we can arrange the beat here. Just going to So guys, this is basically how to make Afro guitar beats in FL Studio. So follow the process step by step so that you can replicate the same thing and learn how to make Afrobeat guitar in FL Studio. So make sure you subscribe to the channel for more videos. See you guys.